Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you most of us use the snipping tool to take a simple screenshot. But did you know this tool hides some powerful feature that can save your time and make your work look more professional? Today I will show you the hidden secret of Windows 11 snipping tool that you probably did not know. Okay, so let's get started one by one. First, let's start with the shortcut. Instead of searching the snipping tool in the start menu, you can launch the snipping tool by using the keyboard shortcut. Just simply press Windows key and Shift key and then press S from your keyboard. This instantly open the snipping tool menu, as you can see guys, where you can choose rectangular snip, freeform snip, window snip or full screen snip from here. Okay, this is the first hidden feature. Another hidden feature is delay option. You can delay your screenshot by 3, 5 or 10 seconds. Okay, this is perfect when you want to capture drop down menus or pop-up that usually disappear too fast. So to use this feature guys, launch the snipping tool like this. Okay, and here you can get the timer, delay snip. Just select it. From here you can easily able to select 3, 5, 10. Just select it, and after the selected time it will capture your screenshot. After taking a screenshot, don't rush to Paint or Photoshop. The snipping tool already has a built-in editor where you can crop, highlight, draw and even use the ruler and protector tools to add precision to your notes. To use this guys, first we will take the screenshot. Okay, after taking the screenshot, here you can get lots of editing option, as you can see guys in my screen. One of the coolest new feature is text action available in snipping tool. You can copy text directly from an image or screenshot. Just click on the text icon. Here you can get this option. Just click on it. You can copy text directly from image or screenshot. Okay, highlight the text and paste it anywhere. So in my current screenshot there is no text available, that's why it is only scanning. So with this help of option guys, you can easily able to scan your text like OCR. And the last snipping tool feature is this guys. Snipping tool is no longer just for screenshot. In the latest Windows 11 update, it also supports screen recording. You can record your screen with audio, trim the video and save it instantly. To record the video, launch the snipping tool once again, and here you can get the option snip. So just select this option record and press Windows logo plus Shift plus R to start a recording. Okay, so now you can also able to record the videos using snipping tool. So these are the hidden secret of Windows 11 snipping tool. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, share it with your friend and don't forget to subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tricks. See you in the next one. Thank you.